We are looking at InGen's greatest ethical failure. The DRex wasn't just a hybrid, it was a biological disaster. Look at the bone density in those gorilla-like forelimbs. It's built for power, but the structural instability is staggering. The Distortus is in a constant state of neurological pain due to that bulbous cranial growth. To truly measure this instability, we have curated a gauntlet of the most refined biological benchmarks in history. We are introducing the precision pack hunting dinosaurs, the impenetrable kinetic shielding of the herbivore dinosaurs, and the raw, apex terrestrial power theropods. Each opponent represents a perfected evolutionary niche, a specialized biological answer to the environment. Against these natural legends, the DRex isn't just fighting dinosaurs, it is fighting the very concept of evolutionary balance. Our simulation isn't just a fight, it's a study in maladaptive evolution. We're running the Gauntlet Protocol to see if this tragic anomaly can actually survive against the natural kings it was meant to replace. Let's see if the pain makes it a better killer, or just a faster corpse. Initiating stress test. On first encounter, DRex meet the Protoceratops. It registered under Biohazard Class 1 threat. Protoceratops is a small ceratopsian dinosaur that lived in Asia during the late Cretaceous, around 75 million years ago. While adults were largely quadrupedal, juveniles had the capacity to walk around bipedally if necessary. Protoceratops, neutralized. Fatal mass differential, cervical collapse. On second encounter, DRex meet the Velociraptor. It categorized under Biohazard Class 2 threat. Velociraptor is a highly intelligent, pack-hunting predator engineered by InGen with scaly skin and a size comparable to an adult human, originally living during the late Cretaceous, roughly 75 million years ago. Renowned for its strategic problem-solving and complex vocal communication, it outmaneuvers prey through coordinated ambushes. Velociraptor utilizing its signature 6-inch sickle-shaped toe claws to deliver lethal precision strikes. Velociraptor, neutralized. Sensory saturation, negated pack agility. On third encounter, DRex meet the Stygimoloch. It categorized under Biohazard Class 3 threat. Stygimoloch is a pachycephalosaurid dinosaur, distinguished by its thick, domed skull surrounded by large spikes and horns. Living in North America during the late Cretaceous, about 67 million years ago, often characterized by its aggressive headbutting defense and herbivorous diet. Stygimoloch, neutralized. PSI threshold exceeded. dome structural failure. On fourth encounter, DRex meet the Ceratosaurus. It categorized under Biohazard Class 4 threat. Ceratosaurus was a medium-sized theropod from the late Jurassic period, approximately 150 million years ago. It is easily identified by the prominent blade-like horn on its snout and a row of bony plates along its back, likely acting as a solitary predator in forest environments. Ceratosaurus, neutralized. Reach advantage. Terminal jugular lock. On fifth encounter, DRex meet the Ankylosaurus. It categorized under Biohazard Class 5 threat. Ankylosaurus lived at the very end of the Cretaceous period, roughly 67 million years ago. As the ultimate living tank, it possessed a heavily armored back and a massive bone club at the end of its tail, capable of delivering bone-shattering strikes to any predator. Ankylosaurus, neutralized. Leverage exploitation, underbelly exposure. On sixth encounter, DRex meet the Stegosaurus. It categorized under Biohazard Class 6 threat. Stegosaurus is a famous plated dinosaur from the late Jurassic, living about 150 million years ago. It featured 2 rows of kite-shaped plates along its spine and a thagomizer, a set of 4 long spikes on its tail, used to fend off large carnivores like Allosaurus. neutralized. Kinetic absorption. Fatal spinal snap. On 7th encounter, DRex meet the Triceratops. It categorized under Biohazard Class 7 threat. Triceratops is a massive ceratopsian that roamed North America during the late Cretaceous, around 67 million years ago. With its 3 formidable horns and a solid bony frill, it was one of the few herbivores capable of standing its ground against the Tyrannosaurus Rex in a head-on confrontation. Triceratops, neutralized. Lateral parry, soft tissue carotid strike. On 8th encounter, DRex meet the Indoraptor. It categorized under Biohazard Class 8 threat. Indoraptor is a highly aggressive, genetically engineered hybrid designed for stealth and combat. It possesses extreme intelligence, human-like problem-solving skills, and near-perfect night vision, making it an unpredictable and lethal adversary in enclosed environments. Indoraptor, neutralized. Power parity, sheer weight ratio dominance. On 9th encounter, DRex meet the Brachiosaurus. It categorized under Biohazard Class 9 threat. Brachiosaurus was a giant sauropod from the late Jurassic, roughly 150 million years ago. Its massive size and weight, reaching up to 50 tons, make it a passive but dangerous threat. Its sheer scale means that even an accidental movement could be fatal to smaller organisms. Brachiosaurus, neutralized. Precision attrition, systemic tendon failure. On 10th encounter, DRex meet the T-Rex. It categorized under Biohazard Class 10 threat. Tyrannosaurus Rex was a massive theropod that roamed North America during the late Cretaceous, around 67 million years ago. As the ultimate apex predator, it possessed the strongest bite force of any terrestrial animal and a robust, muscular build, capable of crushing bone and taking down even the most armored prey. T-Rex, neutralized. Bite force efficiency, superior clinch grappling. On 11th encounter, DRex meet the Giganotosaurus Dominion. It categorized under Biohazard Class 11 threat. Giganotosaurus, like the variant seen in the Jurassic World Dominion, is an InGen dinosaur based on the colossal theropod from the late Cretaceous, around 98 million years ago. It served as the apex predator in the Biosin Valley Sanctuary by utilizing its massive size and serrated teeth to dominate territory and drive away rival apex predators. Giganotosaurus, neutralized. Neurological tempo, recovery frame exploitation. On 12th encounter, DRex meet the Indominus Rex. It categorized under Biohazard Class 12 threat. Indominus Rex is the ultimate genetically modified hybrid, combining the DNA of various species including T-Rex, Velociraptor, cuttlefish, and many others. It features active camouflage, thermal regulation masking, and high-level strategic thinking, representing the pinnacle of biological hazard levels. Indominus, neutralized. Genetic peak, superior bone muscle density. The breach of the Distortus Rex has set a catastrophic chain of events in motion, pitting modern genetic ambition against the raw power of other dinosaurs. Through these 12 encounters, the hybrid has navigated a gauntlet of increasing biohazard classifications, testing its engineered superiority against nature's most lethal designs, and even to the other hybrid creation. This analysis concludes the current observation of maladaptive evolution and results of the Gauntlet Protocol.